Welcome to Two Wheel Renegade. This video is the fourth part of my fall colored ride. Today's journey will start from Golden Lake, Ontario, and make my way to Bancroft. Okay, let's zoom into the map here, and then go over and select Mr. Pegman, and drop him on the map, and here we go. Okay, heading out on Highway 60, going towards Bancroft, making a few stops along the way with plenty of fall colors to see, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Alright, we're going to make a stop here in Eganville, Ontario. Take a look at this little bridge area and stuff. See what we can see. Take a look at the Bonnechere River Fair from the bridge. Can't help but having a beautiful day for this. I quite enjoyed this. Oh yeah, it was great. Let's head up on the road here on 4th Street Road, and up ahead we're going to make a little stop. Alright, gonna pull over here and look at some rapids. Unfortunately, the caves today is closed. Right across the street from the caves is this nice rapid area. Well, we can't look at the caves, but we got this to view, which nothing to complain about, that's for sure. Gotta love the sound of the rapids. Back on the road, going to head down on Scottsbush Road here, and then continue our journey. Okay, now we gotta make a right here and go down Region Road 22. Let's keep moving. Turning left on 41 here. let's speed up and keep going. Okay, found this little spot here called Tui Lake Picnic Area. So I thought I'd stop and check it out and see what we can see. Not a very big lake, but it's a beautiful spot. Boy, you need a kayak or even a canoe would be nice right now. Alright, let's speed up and back on the highway. Keep this journey going. Well, this looks like a nice spot to stop. And there's other bikers here, which is always great to talk to.
Max shut it down end of December and
Let's keep cruising on Highway 41. Alright, leaving Highway 41, heading down Highway 28. We have arrived here at Bancroft, and gonna make a stop here at the Millennium Park and check out some sights. This park has a nice iron bridge. And you can take a nice view of the York River. Some nice colors. Okay, we got all these padlocks here. I guess that's one of those love lock ideas. Everybody inscribes their initials of their couple. Really neat. What a beautiful little spot this is. Water looks so nice. Okay, we're gonna make a short trip up the road here. And we're going over to what's called Eagle's Nest Lookout. A beautiful ride up this hill. It's a bit steep at points here, but love it anyways. Made it to the top. Let's see if I can find a spot to park. I don't want to block anybody in. Well, there's lots of little trails around this area. This is nice. Gonna find the lookout spot. Okay, finally found the lookout spot. It was worth the trip, that's for sure. What a spectacular view. You can see the town below, beautiful skyline. What a great way to end the day and today's tour. See you next time. Well, I hope you enjoyed the ride today. Join me again for the next part of my journey. For more information about the towns I stopped at, please click the links below, share the video, and always like and subscribe as always. Stay safe and have a great day. Peace out.